In this video, we will learn how to change page color in Word document. So let's start. This is my Word document, and here I'm going to change the color of this page. So is the default color of the Word document page is white. So here you can use the different color or themes on page. Okay, so go to the design tab. In design tab, in page background group, have a page color option. Just click on this drop down arrow and there are number of theme color available. So you can just select and see the changes on the pages. See the color is change of the pages. See, and if you want to use the more color, just click on the more color options, and here have a standard and customs color. You can create and use it. Okay, there are some standard color also. You can just select it and see the here color and click on OK. The color is applied, and just click on get page color, and there are fill effects also available. Here the fill affects the gradient, texture, pattern and pictures. So in gradients there are some optional also available: shading style, horizontal, vertical. You just select it and click on OK to apply on gradient on your page color. Same as I just click again the page color and click on the fill effect. You can use the texture also. There are so many textures available here. So I just select the one textures and click on OK and see the changes on the pages. See, I just drag below. There are 3 pages in this Word document, all 3 pages on the same textures. Again I go to the page colors and click on the fill effects. Now I just click on the patterns. There are some patterns is available. If you want to change the color of patterns, you can change here and see the patterns is showing the different color. You can change color and pattern is showing the different color. I select here the one pattern. I select this one and see here the preview, and after that just click on OK. See the pattern is apply on page color. So this is a way you can use these color themes for Word page. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.